Okay, this coffee maker is, I'm so addicted. I just had to do a video on it. So, this thing, the Keurig, takes basically these little K-cups, and I think I'll do this vanilla biscotti here. So, we're going to make a quick cup of coffee with this, and show you how cool it is. So just open the lid there. This just sits right there. Close it. And then you come over here. I don't think you'll be able to see it because of the light. This one has 5 cup sizes. So I'm going to go up to one, click the brew, and that is it. Alright, so there you go. Under 2 minutes. That's going to pull some more water in. You just pull this out and toss it, and you're done and ready for the next cup of what other flavor you might want to do. That flashing blue in the water just means I need to add some more water. So enjoy. I know I'm addicted.